I wanted to make a video here opening a box of baseball cards I bought on eBay. That's a different kind of baseball card box because it contains older cards. Some kind of thing I discovered here. There's some sellers on eBay selling these universal treasures. They're called other things too, but so there's old cards in here. You could find some good ones possibly. Pretty good price, I think. I got the listing up here, $36.88 for the box with free shipping. That's the title there, and the seller, Time Machine. And they're on the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast. They ship really fast. Let me just look here on the tracking. Yeah, let's see here. Well, yeah, I think I paid for it on the 7th, the 6th or the 7th, and I got it on the 9th. So real fast shipping. So I'm gonna do an unboxing here, and also, you know, showing what kind of cards I get here. Might be kind of a long video. As far as the box, the factory wrapping is a little bit suspect to me. It's probably just, I'm probably overthinking it, but it looks a little bit amateur, the shrink wrap. It's not completely, it doesn't completely cover the box. There's some gaps. I mean, I guess there's a possibility it's a reseal, but it's probably not. I'll probably just, but anyway. So, supposedly factory sealed here. And, let's go ahead and open it. Okay. We got like a sticker sealing it shut here. And I guess there's some modern packs. There's some modern packs and vintage packs. I'm not sure. There's for sure some old cards in here. So I guess we'll just like I said, it's gonna be a long video. So just bear with me here. So the first pack we got is Topps 2010, 12 cards, and let's go ahead and open it. I'll try to carefully open these. I like to save the packaging. I don't buy a lot of baseball cards, but I have been collecting baseball cards a long time, so so we got let's see here. Sorry, I got the light on my camera, so you see that dot. That's just the light. Pedro Feliciano, Ivan Rodriguez, Pudge. That's Pudge there. I haven't been following baseball very closely the last, I don't know, 3 to 5 years, I would say. I still follow it, but not nearly as closely as I used to. Jason Kendall, that's a former A's player. I live in Fairfield, California, which is like kind of San Francisco Bay Area, so I'm born and raised here. So growing up, I was an A's and Giants fan. Yep. Alright, so there's Justin Verlander, sorry. He's a good pitcher, I know that. Matt Holliday, that's a good player. I'm more interested in the older cards. So, legendary lineage. Okay. There's pack 1. The next pack we got is, looks like Mike Piazza there. Upper Deck. 1994. Series 1 Collector's Choice. That's kind of my style of opening baseball card packs. Got a certain way I do it to try to preserve the packaging. I guess I better, I don't know. But let's see here. I hate when they put all the cards all different ways. Sorry, Mike Bordick. That's an A there. Bobby Munoz. Don't even know who he is, really. Reggie Sanders. Gary DiSarcina. Don Slott. Chris Carpenter. Got some cards stuck together here. Brad Pennington. Bloss Minor. Bill Gullickson. Kim Batiste. And I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more baseball cards because I spent a lot of time organizing and cataloging and putting all my cards in binders and stuff. It's real time consuming. I did that like a year or two ago. I told myself no more baseball cards. But here I am buying more baseball cards. So this looks like an older pack. What year is this from? Diamond Kings, 1989. Yeah, that's common. Oh well. It looks like it's for sure sealed here. It's real tight. Real tight wax packaging. Again, please bear with me. I know I could probably be faster about all this, but I'm not. Trying to be kind of careful. Alright. Oh, yeah, these are the... Oh, look at that. Looky there. Beautiful. Man, I've been a fan of Ken Griffey Jr. for so long. Look at that. Beautiful. That's a Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks in pretty darn good shape. I've never sent cards in for grading. I may just do that. Why not? It would be fun, huh? You know, there's something about Ken Griffey Jr. a lot of people don't know. You know, his dad played, Ken Griffey Sr., right? So, Griffey Jr., he grew up around baseball, but he had a lot of pressure on him in his, before he made the majors, like 17, 18 years old. And supposedly what I read on the internet, he actually tried to commit suicide around the time he entered the major leagues. He had a failed suicide attempt, or maybe it was way before. I remember I was pretty shocked reading about that. Here's this guy, you think he's like the last person you would think would try to commit suicide. But anyway, it's pretty crazy. So, Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card. That's awesome. Awesome stuff. And Storm Davis. That's a cool name, huh? George Brett. That's a goodie. Oral Hershiser. He's a Hall of Famer, probably. Mike Greenwell. See, 1989. I was born in 81. I was really hardcore baseball fan in 1989. I was a little kid, like 8 or 9 years old. And I watched on TV all the time. I played on baseball teams. I was buying baseball cards. I was totally into it. Baseball. I played baseball on teams for 10 years. From about the age of 8 to 18. So anyway, I'm pretty happy I got that Griffey Jr. rookie. Man, that's awesome. It looks like it'll probably grade, it's centered very well. It might get a 9. Okay, 1987 Topps, another very common, not worth much really pack, but I gotta adjust how I'm sitting here. I'm gonna have a kinked neck real bad. I gotta make some adjustments here. I'm sitting kind of sideways. Sorry. Holy moly! 10 minutes already. This video's gone. Okay, so 87 Topps, right? Yeah, wax pack with gum in there, probably. Oh, gotta keep it in the video here. There's the gum. I wonder what year they started putting gum in packs. And there's remnants of the gum, unfortunately, on the back of the card, but it's probably nothing special card. Nice cards, though, brand new. I gotta adjust the camera here, it's too low. That's better, I guess. I gotta, like, angle it upward. Let's see here. Okay. And again, I know I need to be going faster, but whatever. Maybe there's some of you that are patient watching this. Gene Garber. Nick Asaski. That's a name I'm familiar with. Willie McGee. He's I think he was born and raised in this area, San Francisco Bay Area. He played for the Giants I guess he played for the Cardinals first. But, yeah, his home, Richmond, California. Bottom right there. Willie McGee, Rick Shue, Nate Snell, Shane Raleigh, Ed Nunez, Tom Patriarch, Steve Sachs, he's a pretty famous, Gary Ward, Dave Winfield, he's a good one, Bill Scherer, got some cards stuck together, Daryl Porter. Alright. Still pretty pumped about that Griffey. Wonder how much that's worth in PSA 9 or 10. 88 Topps. So the last one was 87. This is 88. Let's open it up. And again, I paid $37 total for this box. There should be some better packs coming up. And I think they guarantee some older cards. So there's still a long ways to go here. I got cards stuck together again. Even though, late 80s, early 90s, even though these cards are very common and most aren't worth anything, if you can get one graded in PSA, 9 or 10, or another grading company real high, then they can be worth quite a bit of money, actually. There's Kirk Gibson. I was an A's fan when Eckersley was pitching him. He hit the home run off Eckersley when Kirk Gibson was on the Dodgers. Hey, look at that. That is my last name right there. Spelled exactly like that. Kevin. I'm Kevin Christensen. Pretty common name, actually. Never heard of this guy. Oh, he's from Southern California. He's about the exact same size as me, too. I'm like 6 feet tall. 6'1", I'm like 6 feet 6'1", about that weight also. And I'm also right-handed and all that. What a coincidence. Cool stuff. And I'll try to... Oh, Dale Murphy. Good player. Bob Serba. Junior Ortiz. Todd Benzinger. We got Eddie Murray here. This guy in all his cards, man, he always looks mean. He always has this look on himself like he's a tough, mean dude. Good player. Probably great player, but he's a little bit before my time. Turn back the clock. Lloyd McClain. Ron Darling. Joaquin Andujar, whatever. Next pack. And we got, what is this? 1995 Topps. Okay, I got 48 minutes of battery time left. This is going to be a very long video. You know what, though? I can't remember how this camera works. Anyway, this pack is going to be tough to open here. Sorry, I'm taking forever, I know. Come on. Ay. Oh, there we go. Oh. It's not really. Oh. I didn't want it. Oh, well. I'm way too much of a saver. I like to save everything. The packaging. Someday, 50 years from now, the wrapper will be worth a decent amount of money. You can look on eBay now. People are selling like Topps pack wrappers from like the 60s, 50s, just the wrapper, for pretty good money sometimes. Here's a problem with like mid-90s and more modern cards that are kind of older though. They stick together real bad because they're real glossy and like whatever. I've had a lot of issues. They're real stuck together, but they come apart pretty easily usually. It's a nice looking card. There's Pudge again, Ivan Rodriguez. Is he still playing? He probably retired. And we got Rich Monteleone on the Giants. And we got Fred McGriff. And he's probably an all-star, Fred McGriff. Rusty something. Draft pick, Jason Peterson. And we got Steve Finley. All stuck together. Okay, and not too many hits on those. And the next pack, we got... Ooh, I see some old cards. After this pack, we got some oldies coming up. 1986 Topps. Again, common, very common. They made a lot of cards, so that pack came open very easily. So I see a Tony Gwynn though. Not a rookie card or anything, but no gum in there. Oh, there's the gum. There it is. Get off of there. Don't break though. Okay. And let's get let me clean it off here. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here as for part 1 because I think my camera, I can't upload too long of a video. I can't remember what the time was, so I want to end part 1 here and start part 2 in the next video. Thanks for watching, so go look for part 2.